A short while ago, I asked my subscribers, what's one thing you changed recently that resulted in the growth of your YouTube channel? In this video, you'll learn 7 ways to blow up your YouTube channel so you can get more views and subscribers. Let me know in the comments below, what's one thing you changed recently that grew your YouTube channel? Back to the Boomback says, thanks, 102,000 views right now. I didn't know at the time, but it was a polarizing topic. When you choose a controversial topic that stirs up the emotions of people representing both sides of the topic, you'll get a lot of views on your videos. Think about a polarizing topic that stirs up the emotions of people representing both sides of an opinion. It sometimes takes one video that blows up on your channel that lifts all the other videos on your channel. Bastian Baker says, getting involved in specific niche-directed groups, answering questions about traveling Costa Rica has gained me quite a nice growth lately. When you interact with like-minded viewers in a group by asking and answering questions, giving feedback, etc., you build relationships with the people in that group. If you want to join my Facebook group, 2 Video Bootcamp, click the link in the description below this video. You'll be able to interact with over 1,000 like-minded video creators. Paula Prada says, changing the background. Recently she changed the plant-related background to a more warmer background containing shelves and pictures. It's worthwhile experimenting with different backgrounds in your videos to see what your audience prefers. For example, in my recent videos, I've been using a different background where I stand up and move from side to side compared to this background where I'm sitting down. If you have the flexibility, you can alternate between 2 different backgrounds, or sometimes what I do is change the scenery and go outside. Jason Francisco says, adding my face to the thumbnail. It worked for my previous video, hoping it works for my latest video. His video gained 15,000 views within 2 months. I noticed that when I add my face to my thumbnails, it improves the click-through rate of my videos. Your thumbnail is what viewers see first, so if they click on the thumbnail, they're more likely to watch your video. As you can see from this graphic, using the TubeBuddy tool click magnet, faces do better than no faces. Also, happy, surprised, and calm faces do better than sad faces. So use expressions on your face in your thumbnails. Christian Blind says, changing the time I release the videos. I have mostly US viewers, so changed release time to suit that better. If you click on the audience tab in YouTube Analytics, YouTube will show you a graph when your viewers are on YouTube. If you have TubeBuddy installed, you'll see the best days and times to upload your videos. This is when most of your viewers are on YouTube. Alexander Novak says, I've got to go back to posting videos. The key to my channel growth over the years has been posting consistently week after week, month after month, year after year. If you're just getting started, you may only be able to upload once a week, but as you gain momentum, try to increase that to at least 2 times a week. One of the easiest ways to increase upload frequency is to do live streams. Zara Mugen says, a Dying Light live stream I did a year ago. Not sure why that particular one gained attraction, because I have had better live streams since then, but YouTube seems to favor that one, lol. Live streams enable you to build a deeper connection with your viewers and subscribers, and also you can gain a lot of watch time hours. This will help you to speed up the eligibility requirements of meeting the YouTube Partner Program of 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Once you've achieved that, you can enable monetization on your channel and build a passive income. Adam Miller says, it's weird, but it's this old video on how to do a YouTube shout-out. Elective Amputation says, my best video was Amputation Day. Cupid Central says, my best video was Cool Funny Talking Dog. It was from the app My Talking Pet.
Hello everybody, are you ready for a Paulson song?
It's not really funny, but it's cute. When you choose a topic that really resonates with your audience, it will attract a lot of views and subscribers and may result in blowing up your channel. Therefore, create a viewer persona template, what your ideal viewer demographics are, their online behavior, offline behavior, psychographics, etc. The more you know about your ideal viewer, the easier it will be to come up with the right content ideas and make videos that your audience loves. Whenever you create new content, you'll have a better idea if that topic will resonate with your audience. Keep in mind the success of your video is not determined when you first upload it to your channel. A video can blow up weeks, months, or even years later. For example, this video only got 207 views in the first 24 hours. 1 year or 365 days later, it's received 304,931 views. YouTube is a long-term commitment, so please be patient and enjoy the ride. Let me ask you a question. Do you struggle to get more views on YouTube videos? If that's a yes, watch the video on the screen right now on why is my YouTube video not getting views and how to fix it.